beautiful soul. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Allow yourself to arrive in this present moment. Feel your body begin to relax. With every breath, release the weight of the day. Let go of expectations. Let go of needing to do anything right now. You are safe. You are supported. You are loved. Gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to your heart center, the space in the middle of your chest. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath and the steady beating of your heart. Begin to imagine your breath flowing directly in and out of your heart. As you inhale, visualize a soft, warm, green light entering your chest, the color of healing, growth, and love. As you exhale, allow any heaviness or tightness to gently dissolve into the air around you. Inhale, inviting love in. Exhale, releasing fear. Inhale, inviting peace. Exhale, releasing pain. That green light begin to expand, glowing brighter, pulsing gently within each heartbeat. Now, visualize a beautiful emerald green lotus at the center of your chest. Heart chakra, Anahata. This lotus may have been tightly closed, protecting you from pain. But with every breath, it begins to unfurl, one petal at a time, opening to the light of love and compassion. Opens, feel warmth spreading through your chest, into your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. This warmth carries forgiveness for yourself, for others, and for all the moments where love felt out of reach. To yourself softly, I am safe to open my heart. It is safe for me to receive love. I am worthy of giving and receiving love freely. Imagine this beautiful light expanding beyond your body, creating a soft, radiant field of energy around you. This is your heart's magnetic field. It's how you attract love, kindness, abundance, and support. Breath, this field grows stronger. You are becoming more open, more receptive. Imagine golden light flowing down from above, divine love, pure source energy, entering through the crown of your head and gently pouring into your heart. Feel this golden energy filling your heart, mixing with your own green healing light, amplifying it. You are receiving love, guidance, abundance, and joy, all flowing towards you with ease. As you breathe deeply, silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations after me. I am open to receive love in all its forms. I allow abundance to flow to me effortlessly. I trust the universe to support me. I am worthy of every blessing meant for me. Feel how your heart expands to these words, glowing, softening. Let this energy ripple through every cell of your being. Imagine that your heart chakra, now fully open and radiant, is gently balancing and harmonizing with all the other chakras in your body. You are aligned, you are centered, you are whole. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine roots extending from your feet deep into the Mother Earth, grounding you, anchoring this love within you. Feel gratitude for your heart, for its resilience, for its ability to heal and expand. Whisper softly, "My heart is open, I am ready to receive." Now bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you. Take one last deep breath in through your heart and exhale with a gentle sigh. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this open-hearted energy with you into the rest of your day. You are loved, you are loved, and you are open to receive. Namaste, beautiful soul, and thank you for aligning with Angie.